Hi, and welcome to Georgetown Manor PA. Today we'll be showing you a refreshed 2-bedroom apartment at 480 East 5th Avenue. Entering the front door of this second-floor unit, we come into a spacious living room with connecting dining room area outside of the kitchen. The carpeting in this area is brand new. The unit is 860 square feet total. Here's our galley kitchen. This unit has a dishwasher included. Let's head into the smaller bedroom at about 120 square feet. This room would be so perfect as a guest room or a studio space. It also has a closet for additional storage. Moving down the hall, we have the largest bedroom, measuring at about 165 square feet. This bedroom has a roomy walk-in closet. Next, let's head into the bathroom. This newly refreshed space has a modern extra-wide vanity and sink top, mirrored medicine cabinet, and modern light fixture. Full-size tub and shower as well. And behind the door is a linen closet for bonus storage. Lastly, right next to the bathroom, we have a closet that contains the washer and dryer that are both included with this apartment home. Thanks for stopping by for a virtual tour. If you'd like to join our community, please visit us at georgetownmanorpa.com or view the information in the description box below. Please hit the like button and subscribe to get notified when new tour videos are posted. If you want to tour more of our apartments, please check out the playlist on the bottom right. We hope you decide to make Georgetown Manor your home.